It's dinner time. Enjoy.
Do not wake me up to music at 7 a.m. Thank you.
Так что это был хороший акцент и все такое. Окей?
I thought we got stuck in Russian. I can't be in my family household anymore. Hey guys, it's me, Jennifer-Biana, and welcome to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please subscribe and like, comment, and all that jazz, and let me know what you think. Also, please click the notification bell to be notified every time I post. And my social media be somewhere here. If you'd like to follow, come through. I post way more frequently there, so come through. I actually deleted the intro to this video by accident, so I'm just in a different outfit, in different lighting, and we will get it right into the... It's a Google Home unboxing. I bought the Google Home because I'm really into smart home stuff right now, and I'm going to unbox it in this video. If you want to know everything that the Google Home comes in and all its features, if you're debating getting a Google Home, make sure to keep on watching. So the Google Home Mini is basically a hub, and it's powered by Google Assistant, and it can answer questions, make hands-free calls, you can use your voice to play music and connect it to your Bluetooth speakers, and it's basically like a voice controller for your home, so you could command compatible smart lights, thermostats, TVs, and more. And more, which is really exciting because I have a lot of smart home products. Yeah, let's open her up. Oh my god, my nails. It's literally like made to be easily opened and I can't open it. So I got the charcoal color. So it's really known for its great audio quality for the size since it is so small, and the fact that it manages most popular smart home products. However, a lot of people say that they don't like how small the status light is from across the room. And apparently the microphone isn't very good for audio calling. But you could like start off your day with like, okay Google, what is the nearest flower shop? Tell me about my day. I don't even know what that means. Google Chromecast, Google Photos, YouTube. Let's take it out of its packaging. Little charcoal, little orange bottom. So this is it up close. It is so light and small. It is like the teeny tiniest little thing. So this is what it looks like. And this is nice because it has like a traction pad on the bottom so that it doesn't slip and move around. Here it has a little plug. So that's the microphone. I do kind of like that it has like a color so you know that it's on. There's also a button down here to click. Those are the only things on it. Interesting. Okay, so this is everything else that it comes with. It has like a let's get started thing. So we have that, the instruction manual, and we have the charger. Okay, interesting. Okay, she just plugs in right here. Just put it to charge, so now it's giving me the buttons. The buttons are giving. Okay.
Welcome to Google Home. To get started, download the Google Home app on a phone or tablet.
Will do, Miss Ma'am. Oh, you could just like tap little sides here and there. So if you tap the side right, volume up, tap side left, volume down, long press play, long press pause. Okay, pause the TV, find my phone. That one's a good one, find my phone. Wake me up to music at 7 a.m. Do not wake me up to music at 7 a.m. Thank you. This is what the app looks like. Create home, I guess. I set up my home so it has my address on here, which makes me a little uneasy, but it's fine. So I'm looking at it right now. So you can add devices here. There's automations, which I love. I'm a big automation girl, smart home, like love that stuff, eat it up. Activities. Then follow the on-screen steps to finish setup. Girly pops, there's no on-screen, I don't see any on-screen things to set it up. How do I set you up, Google? Turn on Bluetooth. Oh, my phone's not on Bluetooth. That might have been my fault. Yeah, okay, got it. It's like looking for devices right now. Google Home Mini, Miss Ma'am. Connecting, connecting, connecting. Did you hear the sound? Yes, ma'am. Where's the device? I live in a studio. It's everywhere. Let's just say living room. We're connecting to Wi-Fi. Okay, these are the voices. It's giving me voice options.
Here to help you throughout your day.
Hi, I'm your Google Assistant.
I want the girl.
Here to help you throughout your day.
Okay, so then it gives me like, what do you want to see? What do you want to set up next? I don't want to set anything up right now. I do have a bunch of Bluetooth speakers I'm gonna set this up to, and I also have, again, a lot of smart home products like door window sensors, presence sensors, like pet feeders. I have a lot of stuff, so now it's installing an update. So yeah, I don't know if I want to mess around with it too much. It was a little confusing to set up, but I think it's because my Bluetooth wasn't on. But I do want to try one of these little things. Like, what if I do, well, I want to know what broadcast it's dinner time is, first of all. How do you say I love you in Russian?
In Russian, that's Я тебя люблю. What else should I translate?
I speak Russian, so that was a good accent and everything. Okay, cool. Not on the app it says, how is the S&P 500 doing?
Я говорю на русском языке, так что это был хороший акцент и все такое. Окей, круто, в приложении не написано. Как дела у S&P 500?
Hey Google just said thank you for complimenting my accent. I speak Russian really well. Hey Google, let's just speak English.
Эй, Google только что сказал спасибо за похвалу моего акцента.
No.
Я действительно говорю по-русски.
Hey Google, switch language to English, not Russian. Oh, it's translating. Hey Google, stop translating.
Got it, I'll stop translating.
I thought I got stuck in Russian. I'm like, I can't be in my family household anymore. Hey Google, play me a relaxing sound. The speaker is really nice. Hey Google, broadcast It's Dinner Time.
It's dinner time. Enjoy.
Great, so there are automations and stuff that you can add in the app, which is really cool. So you can choose a type of routine, personal, so let's do personal because I live alone. When I say, hey Google, let's do play music, it'll play Spotify playlist. Here I could connect it to any different channels I want, so I'm gonna connect it to Spotify. Okay, it's working. Hey Google, play music.
Okay, here's Spotify.
Oh, it's playing my playlist. If I tap, it's so louder. That's cool. Okay, great. Okay, well, I think this video has been way too long, but if you want to see a full review where I actually have everything set up, let me know in the comments below, and thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.